That was a 2009, I think, 5-ton Carrier Comfort Series heat pump, short cycling, and has a broken fan motor, or bad fan motor. So yeah, has a Copeland school compressor. Man, that is hot, very hot. GE motor. It's been short cycling like this for a while. 2009, 5-ton. That's barely cold. I hope they get this thing replaced. I hope they get this thing fixed. So yeah, thank you for watching, and over and out.